Hey, it's Will again here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Y'all aren't gonna believe this. This is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. It says a one owner local trade-in. Got tons of aftermarket upgrades. So starting here in the front, got a front steel bumper. Also got a worn winch. As I come over here to the side, we're sitting on some 17-inch Borah AEV wheels with 37-inch Falken Wildpeak tires. Looks like they also upgraded and installed some side steps. Now, as you can see, this is a really clean black exterior paint. Got Fox shocks. I believe this is also lifted on an AEV Lift Kit as well. So super hard to come by. So be sure to check out our website. This one is priced to sell, and you're not gonna find a Jeep Gladiator Rubicon for the price that we have it listed as. So it's also got heated seats, vented hood. I mean, what more could you ask for on a Jeep Gladiator? So it looks really good. I do apologize, it is starting to snow a little bit here again in Louisville, Kentucky. It's a nice 25 degrees. Nice and warm out. I'm kidding. I say be sure to check out our website if you're interested in this Jeep Gladiator. Say it won't stick around long. Super cool build, nice and sleek. Appreciate you all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For more content, be sure to check out our YouTube page. Thank you guys.